Guys, I'm about to show you how you can utilize Surfshark VPN to watch any category of films on Netflix. Now, what I mean by that is if you are living, say, in Argentina, you can watch a different category of films than you can in Malaysia. All right, using that as an example, it means that you cannot just watch the same show you were watching at home if you go on holiday or you go traveling. It gets annoying. I know the secret. Surfshark allows you to watch anything, anywhere, at any time. So let me show you what I mean. All right, guys, you can see here right now, okay, I'm on Netflix, and this is an Indonesian Netflix category. That means that there's things on here you won't be able to watch if you're not in Indonesia. Now, I want to show you an example of this. So I know something coming out right now, okay? There is a film called Tarot, okay? This recently added, okay? I watched it yesterday. I'm in Indonesia. But when I spoke to my friend, they could not watch that. Look what that means, okay? I go to Surfshark right now. I've already got it in my computer ready up here. Okay, you see this S? This is popping up. This is going to allow me to do Surfshark, okay? You can see it here. So now I'm going to connect to, let's say, the United Kingdom, all right? Because I'm sure they can't watch Tarot there because my friend couldn't watch it last night. So get rid of that. Let's refresh this. You can see my S is highlighted. We refresh and look for Tarot. Okay, we've refreshed this now. I'm going to search for Tarot and let's see if it comes up. You can see now there is no Tarot, okay? Again, if I turn this off just to show you, I quit Surfshark. It's that easy, just one click. I go here and I refresh the search for Tarot. Again, we can now watch it, and that is how you get around it, guys, all right? Surfshark is absolutely incredible, and you can get a deal down below with my link to get a discounted Surfshark. So if you want to watch Netflix in any country, Surfshark is the easiest one click to do that. So guys, make sure you get involved as soon as possible. Hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell to be notified. That link down below is gonna get you a discounted price that you cannot get by going to the website. So make sure you remember that. See you next time.